Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how you can install Google Meet on your PC or laptop. Now, what I want to do is I want to open Google Chrome. Now, right in Google Chrome, I want to search for what? Google Meet, or you can just go to the official website, meet.google.com. So once I search, you see meet.google.com. Once I open it, now we have the official website for Google Meet. So now what I want to do is what? Now, when you come to the top right corner here, you are going to see option to install Google Meet. Another option is if you click on the three dots here, you are going to see this menu. When you scroll down, you are going to see cast, save, and share. Now, once you hover on it, you are going to see install Google Meet here. So you can either click on this to install Google Meet, or you come to the top here, you see what this sign symbol, you see this icon here that tells you to what? Install Google Meet. Now, when you click on it, it's going to ask you, do you want to install the app? Yes, you proceed, install. Now this is going to go ahead and install Google Meet for you. Now when you go ahead and click, close your browser, you also close this. Now you have your Google Meet directly here and also on your taskbar. So anytime you come, you just have to double click. Now you can see your Google Meet has opened directly for you, and you can create your new meetings, join meetings, and do whatever I want to do. So this is how we install Google Meet on our PC or laptop. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in another video.